Well, it's a beautiful night down here at Ocean Beach. There's the ferry going off to home and away. And I'm down here for Father's Day. I've done all the bit. I've done the barbecue with all the kids and everything. And I thought I'd come down here for a bit of a quick bash. Got the MD 3080. And nothing. So give it another half an hour and maybe I'll find something like a bottle cap for Father's Day or something. Alright, see you guys.